In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset OneDrive in Windows 11. Whether you're experiencing sync issues or any other kind of glitch with your OneDrive, a simple reset might be all you need to get things back on track in just a few minutes. Let's dive in and guide you through the process seamlessly. First things first, we'll need to bring up the Run dialog box. It's your handy tool in Windows for quickly opening programs and running commands. To do this, you simply need to press the Windows key and the letter R on your keyboard at the same time. This action will pop up a small window on the bottom left of your screen. That's the Run dialog box. Now, in the box that appears, type in the command wsreset.exe. This command is a shortcut to reset the Windows Store cache, and it's quite effective for helping OneDrive function properly again if there are any underlying issues. As soon as you've typed it in, you'll want to proceed by clicking the OK button. This will execute the command. By clicking OK, notice that a command prompt will briefly appear on your screen before disappearing. Don't worry if it seems like nothing is happening. This is just the system processing the command. What's happening behind the scenes is that OneDrive is being restarted, which often resolves many common issues the application might be facing. If after this reset you find OneDrive is still not performing as expected, there's an additional step you can consider. Sometimes persistent problems might require a more comprehensive approach. In such cases, uninstalling and reinstalling OneDrive can be your next best option. This is a more thorough method to ensure a fresh start, effectively wiping any problematic data or settings that might have been causing issues. To uninstall OneDrive, navigate to your computer's settings, find the Apps section, and look for OneDrive in the list of installed applications. Click on it and select the Uninstall option. After you've uninstalled it, simply visit the Microsoft website to download the latest version of OneDrive and install it on your system again. And there you have it. Resetting OneDrive can often work wonders when it comes to resolving technical hiccups. Remember, whether you're simply restarting it with a quick command or going the extra mile with a reinstall, these steps are designed to restore the application's functionality without losing any of your important data stored in the cloud. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and easy tech solutions on future videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.